everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be making Nigerian fish stew. If you want to see how I made this stew, then please keep watching. So for this fish stew recipe, you can use any kind of fish that you want, but I will be using pink snapper. I'm going to start by seasoning the fish, and I'm using here onion powder, garlic powder, fish seasoning, and some cayenne pepper. I don't want my fish to be too dry, so I'm just gonna add a little olive oil. Then I'll mix it together and leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. After marinating the fish, I'm just going to air fry it off camera so that this video won't be too long. Next, I have everything I need here for my stew base, and I'm just going to blend everything together and start cooking the stew. Just heat up some oil and add onions, some bay leaves, curry and thyme, and cook this for about 3 minutes. Some people like to use tomato paste to cook their stews, but this is a really quick recipe, so I really don't want to use the tomato paste. I think the pepper mix is enough. So I'm just going in with my pepper mix, and I'm going to cook this until I see the oil floating on top of the pepper mix. Once my stew base is cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and season it. For seasoning, I'm using some homemade aromatic spices, some bouillon powder, paprika, and a little salt. Next, combine the spices together with the pepper mix and cook for 5 more minutes. Add back the cooked fish and combine it very gently together with the stew. I said gently because you don't want the fish to break in the pot of stew. Cover the pot and cook for 5 more minutes, and your fish stew is ready. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.